We are replacing the flags on veterans' graves today, and it is a way to honor the veterans of the military personnel who have served and died, and it's all volunteer. No one pays anyone to do this. We do it because we believe in our veterans. You have the Boy Scouts, we might have some people from the football team. We're supposed to have, there's Blue Star Mothers, there's Cub Scouts, there's veterans from the American Legion. So it's an American thing to celebrate our veterans. And we have Memorial Day coming up, and we try to get this done before Memorial Day, in honor of the Memorial Day.
Today we are at Sunnyside Cemetery in Tunkhannock, Pennsylvania, and we are replacing flags for veterans to honor them because they served for our country, for our freedom.
Taking the old flags off there. Put the switch over there.
We need more new ones.
Yeah.
To make
So what we did was...
then we take them, we burn the flags on Flag Day. We do a ceremony. Chaplain takes them out of service and all that, and then we burn them in the barrels back there in the cemetery.
Taking out all the old flags and putting in new flags because this is the day that we do it, and all the veterans who served in the wars were Americans, and we are putting in new flags because new American flags because they're all Americans.
My name is Chris Decker. I am a Blue Star Mother. We have a local chapter, which is Blue Star Mothers of Northeast PA. So we take care of the veterans, we send care packages, we go to the VA when they're open after COVID, and do things with the residents, and we're here supporting our military. That's what we do.